dark in here.
Turn that off!
Oh, okay. Sorry.
It's gone.
What's gone?
Double Dare 2000.
I'm sorry. What?
It spanned the years of 2000 and 2000. Not even a whole year. They didn't even give it a chance. It could have been somebody. It could have been a contender.
I mean, you could still watch it. I'm sure it's online somewhere.
Now it's left in the ashes of all the other forgotten shows, like Nickelodeon Guts and Figure It Out. I never could figure it out.
Neither could I. We were 7.
Double Dare 2000 had slime time. I never got mine. My time for slime never came. And it never will. Don't look at me. I'm too embarrassed from lack of slime.
Eric, your life isn't defined by slime. It's what you do with your time. Not laying here wasting around in the goddamn candlelight. No, that's just not Prime. It's just not.
You're foolish.
I mean, we are adults. We could make our own slime.
Our own slime?
Alright everybody, it's Double Dare 2015. Eric Rodriguez, are you ready to get slimed?
I'm kind of having second thoughts.
Alright everybody, let's go! Are you ready? Here we go! Slime time! Slime! I can taste the apple! It tastes so good! Slime time!
That's the way the